Okay, so here we are trying to write an ionic compound given its name that involves a polyatomic. And we can tell it's a polyatomic because if we have our reference sheet with us, we can see that this name is nowhere to be found on the periodic table. And that's your first clue. It might be a polyatomic, so let's try to find it on the polyatomic reference sheet. Nitrate happens to be right here. So it's a polyatomic. So our first step is to write the symbol and charge for the first element listed. Well, magnesium, if we look on the periodic table, we find its symbol to be Mg. We could also find its charge to be +2. Now, let's do the same thing for the second one, nitrate. Nitrate cannot be found on the periodic table, therefore it's a polyatomic, and we'll find it on our polyatomic reference sheet. Nitrate, its symbol is NO3. And it also tells us its charge to be -1. Now that we have that, we can apply the switch it rule here to create our formula for this compound. So the 1 is going to come down here. The charge itself has nothing to do with this. So we're just going to take the number 1 itself, place it here, and put number 2 there to give me Mg1 NO3 2. Now remember, when there's a 1 present, we don't typically write it. You can, but we usually don't. So it would be Mg NO3 2 as my final answer. So now that you have been retaught this process, apply it to answer question number 2 correctly.